It really is the most beautiful roller coaster I've ever seen, and it's going to be so exciting, jaw-droppingly exciting. The great thing about the amusement park business is it's made to change, create new things, really invest in the future, bring in new, more exciting rides. And you know what? We mix them with some of the old rides too, but it is so important that we can bring new coasters like Icon to Blackpool.
Absolutely amazing feeling, putting in the last bolt of the world's probably most exciting roller coaster ever built. You know, I've been working with the team for, as you say, 5 years now, and it's just going to be amazing. I just can't wait to ride it.
We've got the big one, then we have Infusion, then we have the Big Dipper, and then we have Icon. And you can see how roller coasters have evolved over the years, because you see all the different engineering structures, all the architectural differences. It's so cool. It's really stunning to stand here and look over my shoulder to see the great changes that have been over the years here.
Yeah, it's been a huge challenge. I mean, just the design where it passes through the big one structure twice, it goes over and under various other rides. That was a huge challenge to get that exactly right, so we can get things as close as possible. But then the installation challenges have been there, as they always are in any construction project. But that's part of why we do what we do. We've got just shy of 1.2 kilometres of track. We're going to have accelerations of around about 4G vertically. The acceleration on the launches will be similar to that of a Formula 1 car, so unless you're a racing driver, you won't have experienced anything like that before. We've got something like 15 interactions between our existing rides